guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you our uni house tour in Leeds. I like watching these kind of videos, so I hope some of you will be interested in seeing our house this year. Come on through. When you come in, we have a really nice, tall corridor, I guess you could say. We have the stairs. This house is like really old and it's got all the old fittings. And when you come in here, we have our living room. A very nice living room, penis and all. Here we have our EU flag up there because why not? We also have a table, which is great because in second year we didn't have a table and we ate our dinner on our lap. So this is great. We also have the old fireplace. All the rooms have the original fireplaces in, which is really cool. And this is just up here because I don't know why this is up here. And here we have 3 big sofas. These are kind of gross, but they're really comfy to sit in. And they also have drawers underneath, which is really weird. I don't know if that's a thing that sofas have, but this is our living room. Coming out the living room, we have the first bedroom, and you guys should guess who you think would be in the room, like what they study, if they're like a girl or a guy, because that'll be interesting. This is the first bedroom. When you come in, we have their desk and the shelving thing at the top, and they have a really cool like art print at the top. And then here we have their old wardrobe. This is a really nice big old wardrobe. And here we have their mantelpiece and their old fireplace. They have probably the most unique fireplace in the whole house. This has like old coal in it and everything, really old school. Mirror, another art piece, a cute plant, and a big shelving unit over here. They also have really nice crushed velvet curtains on their wall, and their bed, a clothes rail in the middle of their room. Their bedside table with a cool print on there as well. Outside of their room, we go down into the kitchen, which is kind of old school. It's not modern at all, but it works. It's a pretty big kitchen for 5 of us. Here's our fridge. Welcome for the pain, oh god. And then we have all of our recycling here that we need to take out. Behind the camera woman is also the basement, which, are we gonna show the basement?
Yeah.
I wanna show the basement, but I'm petrified of the basement.
Well, let's do it.
Can you go down first?
Oh gosh, okay.
Wait, where's the light? Where's the light for the basement? The light's downstairs.
Can you come down?
I'll sabotage your gym membership. We can at least stay down there when we're down there.
What? Why?
I'm getting freaked out.
I'm down there. I'm black belt in taekwondo.
This is our basement. It's not really a party basement, is it?
It's creepy.
That is creepy. Oh wow. It's kind of weird. Like there's literally all the old wallpaper and the tiles and everything. Everywhere, it's crazy. You can imagine being kind of cool.
It's really similar to our old basement.
Yeah. Okay. Coming out of the creepy basement, we go upstairs. Here we have this really nice archway. Like no student houses in Leeds have these like old features, or at least the ones that we've lived in, so it's nice.
Like one house.
Where I lived last year was so bad. Anyway, this is bathroom number 1, where it has a shower and a bath and toilet and sink and everything. And these blue tiles are so nice. But this isn't our bathroom, so this is our bathroom, but it's basically just a toilet. And this is also see-through, so we had to put a blanket up here. We have all of our tampons there and stuff. It's kind of cute. Yeah. And then coming out, we step over here. The house is just like so big and fresh. It's just so nice. Here we come on to bedroom number 2. Actually, I was gonna slag this room off and say it's quite plain and boring, but it's actually not that bad. This is their bed, and they have such a nice fireplace in here. This is so beautiful, and even the carpet is really, really nice as well. And all of the rooms came with original furniture. And this is their attempt at decorating their room. We have a nice wooden sculpture, 2 fake plants, a bottle of laundry liquid. Is this a poster? They haven't put it up. Wow, okay. Oh. And then this is their wardrobe. What degree do they do? Are they a girl? Are they a guy? You comment down below. Then we have one of our many washing lines here. It just is what it is. And now we go on to room number 3. This is a lot more exciting. This room is probably like my favourite room apart from mine. It's just such a nice vibe in here. No offence to your room, love. Again, all old school furniture. This is their desk and they have loads of pottery bits around the room, as you can probably tell. Loads of books and films and slosh posters, if you recognise these. Loads of more art posters everywhere. And they also have the original fireplace again, and they have such beautiful tiles in their room. I'm so jealous of this. Moving on to their wardrobe, this is again like a really nice one. It really reminds me of the Narnia one. Do you know what I mean? She's nodding. Yeah. They have this beautiful chest of drawers with their record player, loads of plants, and their bed. I love this room. What degree do you think they do, guys? So coming out of their bedroom, we have the rest of our bathroom. This is such a nice little bathroom. We have the same like deep kind blue tiles, which are my favourite colour ever. This is your hair on your wall. We also have this cabinet from IKEA, which I really like the style of. Like you can see it from the wall and you can see it from the corridor. And that like industrial style shelving with all of our products and stuff in it. We get a lot of nice natural light in here. And then just behind here we have our sink area, which I think we've made look really cute, and we've tried to do a pink theme around the room. So I hope you like our cute girly bathroom. Now we come out of the bathroom and we go up to the final floor. Here on Here on the landing we have some more clothes rails and our iron that we'll probably never ever use. We don't have anywhere else to store them. And again, we have another skylight, so you just get the best light up in here. Outside of these rooms, we have this really nice vanity, which just sits here, so it's good to check your outfit on the way out. We also have my Groovy Chick floor mat. And then behind me is my room, but I'm not going to show you that because I already uploaded my room tour, so I'll link that on the screen. Oh my god, I need to catch my breath. On to the last room that I'm going to show you. This one is super cozy and cute. When you come in, there's some posters on the wall and they have a bookshelf with loads of eclectic bits and bobs. And the desk. We also have some snippets of a possible jewellery brand, Serenbeated. Over here is their clothing rail, very aesthetic with the green bags as well, and this little print on the back of the door. And again with this old school furniture, it's just so nice. They have some bits and bobs here, this really nice print that someone we know made, and their bedside table, and their bed, and a really big mirror, and again their fireplace has that like old school Depop, I don't know what it's called. Decoration. And this cute little wall hanging that I made for this person that you might be able to buy from my Depop soon, so stay posted. And then here is their wardrobe, so yeah, this room is really nice and you get really nice skylight. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment down below what degree everyone does. It'll be interesting to see what kind of people you think they are by their rooms. Also check out my room tour if you haven't already, and subscribe and follow me on my Instagram and my other social media to keep up with me. I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching.